Welcome. This video I'll be sharing with you one of the most effective strategies that I use in trading Bitcoin that I made a lot of money for so many years, and it's a proven strategy. So stay tuned, let me walk you through. This is a 1,000 course, but I decided to share it for free. It's guided by SMC. Very simple but effective concept that can make a lot of money for you if you're not profitable in trading cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. Stay tuned, let me walk you through. So let's go to the illustration board to give you insight of what you'll be seeing in the chart when we start. So looking at the screen, this is ideal setup for this strategy. This is very simple but effective. So this is the price, and after a while the price went into accumulation phase, which some people call long distribution, but I call it accumulation phase. So what are you expecting? You're expecting two things with the breakup structure above or down. It depends on the move. Remember, you use only 1 hour and 4 hour, 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. There's no magic about it, but you don't need multiple time frame analysis for you to be profitable with this strategy. Just one start. I'm using 4 hours as an example. So let's take for instance this 4 hour. So the price was moving up, went into accumulation phase. After a while it breaks out, which is called breakup structure. But before then, there's what we call good displacement. So this displacement shows as what demand or supply zone. So whenever you find such build up before the breakout, is called what displacement in smart money concept terms. So that's where you draw your point of interest. So we're expecting that the price we went into the zone and do what and collapse immediately. So you need to set your pending order in this zone and wait for it. Or some people wait for their confirmation manually. But for me, I always set my pending order inside this zone because I know that the Bitcoin is a very high volatile market, which can just tap into the zone within a twinkle of an eye and leaves you, which is very, very accurate for you to lose. So the next thing is to do, just if you have small accounts, I would advise you to target 1:4, 1:5, or 1:6 depending. But if you have big account, just target 1:3, 1:4. It's a very effective strategy. So let's walk into the live chart for you to see how effective this was over the years, and nobody will tell you about that. Okay, looking at this game, this is a perfect example of what I shared with you earlier. This is the accumulation stage. Just make sure, the only thing you need to do, just make sure that you have this accumulation stage gives you around 20 candles or more. So if you can watch very well, we have about 31 candles, which is 5 days and 4 hours. So the volume is 3.41k volume. So we're expecting a big move from this very zone. So after that, we have a breakup structure with this momentum candle. Is a very good setup. This is a current market. This is June 10, 2023, Saturday, June 10, 2023. I was in this trade, if I'm not mistaken. So now the price pushed down after this breakup structure, whip into the top, wipe into this PI zone and collapse. So let's watch what the target was. Let's watch what the profit is all about. So you're risking 2% to earn what 5.71%. Is a very good risk reward ratio. So let's move on and share this with you for you to know that what I'm telling you is a proven strategy. So this is another distribution stage. So let's calculate the candle. Remember to make sure the candle is about from 20 candles up. If you turn it, it's around 80 days or so. So this is 27 candles, 4 days and 12 hours. You get the point. So this is our point of interest. This is displacement. Remember, this displacement will give you at least higher low equal highs before you can call it a point of interest. You see that immediately the price tap into the zone, it push up. So let's calculate our profits make in this very trade. So this is 8%. We risk 1.77% to earn 8%. So I can move on and share this example with you. Another one is this. This is breakout structure. Look at it. This is a very long distribution zone, which gives around 20 candles or more, if I'm not mistaken. So take it up. This is 49 candles. Around how many days? 8 days and 8 hours. So before this breakout structure, this is our point of interest. Displacement was a very good one. Watch it. It's a very good displacement. It's a very good displacement. This very zone is a very good displacement. Whenever you saw this type of displacement, it gives me joy because I know what is about to come in. So look at what do we earn? Okay, we earn 7%. We risk 1.34% to earn 7%. So stay tuned. I'll still give you things you don't need to see, things you need to avoid. So this is a proven strategy. I can go on and on and share the example with you. So if this is your first time coming across this video, remember to subscribe, click on subscription button, share with your friends. Don't forget to comment, tell me things you don't understand so that I can guide you more on it. Okay, look at this one very well. I want you to just look at this one very well. So this is very good display. This is a very good dispersion zone. Everyone sees a very good dispersion. After this breakout, do you understand that this displacement zone did not go as we are using before? So you need to avoid such displacement. Do you get the point? You need to avoid. It's not a good displacement. It's not a good point of interest. It's not a good supply zone. It's not a good demand zone. So whenever you saw a single candle before the push, just ignore it. Do you get the point? So remember, we're using 4-hour time frame. You can use 1 hour to find those setups. Okay, so I need to show you what happens here. You don't need to be in a rush. If you want to be profitable, if you want to do anything in life, you need to give it time. So don't rush and skip the video to see the end. It will not help you. Only thing you need to be patient to learn from people. I always learn. You need to be patient to learn. So what's this very zone? Is a very good dispersion. So we have a breakout structure. So this displacement is not a good one. Everybody see is not a good one. You see what happened? It's not a very good one. So single displacement should be avoided. Just stick into your ear. Any single candle that form a displacement is not a point of interest. So just mark it, put it to your ear. Don't go there and lose money saying that's what you learned from me. So now it works very well. See what happened after that. It doesn't hold. So what happens here? You need to pay attention. Pay very good attention here. This is a breakout structure. This is a breakout structure. Everybody can see that. It's a very big structure. Good accumulation phase. Long good accumulation phase. So where is our point of interest? This is a very good displacement. You get the point. So this is a very good displacement. You set your order, set your pending order inside this zone. You don't need to wait anymore because anything that happens here, you will regret it for months. You get the point. So this is a point, very good displacement. I love it when I say that. I love it. So you need to love it too. You need to stay tuned, watching how massive we made money. So we just risk around how many? Just raised 2% of our accounts to earn 14%. Why not adopt this strategy? Why not start practicing it? Why not start asking me a question on how I made a lot of money using this concept? Let me move on and share examples with you for you to believe in what I'm telling you that is true. I'm not sharing what I'm not using. Whatever you see me share in my channel is what I'm using. I just adopt YouTube trading just to tell people that I'm existing. I want to communicate with people around the world. That's why I open a YouTube channel. I'm not doing this just to get anything, but at least it will enable me to communicate with people around the world to help souls who are struggling to make money. Go and read the description of about my channel. It says to help young traders from self-destruction. I want to help you today. Okay, this is a breakup structure. And after a while, it happened to this one and pushed down. Though it's not a very good one, but I want you to know that this is not a rocket science. It happens anywhere in the chart. So it's a win trade. So let's go on and show you things. This is a breakout structure, but I will ignore this because after this breakout structure, what happens here? You see that it's another accumulation phase, which is not good for you to trade. So let's move on and see the example that will convince you to adopt this strategy for yourself and start making it anywhere you are. It doesn't matter whether you have trading years of experience, anybody can do this. So let's stop it here without taking much time. So I will not find more examples because I've shared enough with you today. So if it's your first time, remember to give your boys support, subscribe, For more information, for more updates, I'm a good price action trader, but I adapt SMC because it gives very good rewards to ratio. So whenever you see my channel, just click on the video that I draw, because nobody will share with you what I always share with people. Thank you very much. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye.